Driving with worn out brake pads can be dangerous for you and the drivers around you. If you drive too long with worn out brakes, then this could lead to a car accident and a huge headache. But we're here to let you know the signs to look out for and how to drive with bad brake pads. Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So, how do you know that your brake pads are worn out? Well, there are a couple of telltale signs to determine if your brake pads are a goner. Let's dig into them. One of the first signs is a slow response time when braking. If your car's brake system isn't responding how it normally does, then this could mean that your brake pads aren't good anymore. And if you ignore this, then it could lead to a costly fix. Another sign that your brake pads are worn out are soft pedals. If your brakes feel like a sponge, then it's time to stop by our dealership and have our auto service technicians check your brakes out. Also, if you feel any vibrations when you're driving, then this is a huge sign that it's time for some new brake pads. And if you hear loud noises while braking, then this is a sign that you've worn your brake pads down all the way or that there's some rust on them. So, how exactly do you go about driving with worn out brake pads? Well, the best thing to do is not drive the car, but if you have to drive, then try not to brake too hard. Just know that this can drastically slow your brakes and could lead to a car accident. Get your brake pads checked at Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Vineland Road.